Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Well, in today's episode, I figured I will do a quick review on this wireless microphone that I got as a gift from my daughter Hannah over the Christmas holidays. And basically, I figured this is not at all a sponsored product, but I figured I'd share this information to you because I've been wanting to own one of this for the longest time, and I've been using those lapel microphones that are attached to the phone. As you guys know, I do use my cell phone for taping and for all my videos, and I've been looking for a microphone that I can attach to my cell phone that is wireless and easily accessible anytime I need it. So anyways, guys, I'll be doing a review on this and see if I could share you guys my experience on this product. And again, as I told you, this is not a sponsored product, so this is truly just my own opinion on the product. So anyways, I'm gonna try and open this up and see how it looks like inside. I did look up the review on this on the Amazon website, and it's been pretty good. A lot of the people that purchased this really like the product, and they have given it 4.5 to 5 stars in terms of review, and it seemed like a good product, and it's easy to use. Oh, there you go. And let's see here. Pretty nice case, as you guys can see. It looks like this is the a container or the case that carries the buds, and I think it is rechargeable. So all you pretty much do is, I believe this is our USB charger here. Yep. So I think we have to plug this in to be able to charge the microphones. And I'll give it some time here to charge this, and once we're all powered up here, I'll definitely give it a try and test this out and see what you guys think about it. Anyways, stay tuned. Well, now guys, the unit is plugged in, and I believe if the case itself is flashing, the first button is basically the 20% level, and then the last one is basically 100%. So once all the lights are on, means that the case itself is fully charged, and the case would be then used as a charger for the microphones. I believe all the microphones are turned off at the moment, and all of them are pretty much fully charged, so that's why all the lights are off in this case. So I think right off the bat you'll be able to use the product right away. Let's give it a try, I guess, here. So now, as you guys can see, I have plugged in the receiver on the phone itself. Let's turn the phone on. Let me just open it up first. Okay, oops. So it looks like it's basically green right now. It's a flashing green. And that's how it gets its power through the phone here. And we could probably grab one of the unit here. The moment we take it out of the case, a red light turns on, and then it tries to pair with the phone. And once it becomes solid blue, that means it's basically paired. As you guys can see here, it's a blue and then it's a green, solid green in both. So now both of the units are paired, so it's pretty much ready to go. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video here, and I'm back with basically the microphone on my lapel here, and testing out for the first time and see if it actually works well. And I'm really looking forward to use this because I've been having a hard time finding an inexpensive product to use for recording a lot of my videos. So anyways, guys, we'll give this a check and then see the video. I'm going to try and see the video, how it sounds like. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is how it sounds like without the microphone and just using the microphone from the cell phone itself. And I'm going to try and move backwards here and see, guys, how much that phone can actually pick up in terms of my voice here. And I'm going to be as far as I can here across the room. And guys, can you hear me still? Yeah, well, check it out. Hi guys, I'm now across the room here, and I'm gonna try and see if I can move backwards here and see how far I can get and how this sound is like in the process of doing so. And I'm far enough here. I'm probably about 10 feet away from the camera. And guys, yeah, let's see how this sounds like. So testing, one, two, three. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now inside the garage, and basically, I'll be using this microphone most definitely inside this garage most of the time because it's where I do most of my video taping. And guys, this product is so awesome. I can't, you know, I can't believe I waited this long to actually get one of this microphone. I've always been using the wired one, which is very limited to the pickup and the distance I'm having from the camera. Now I can pretty much be inside the garage here and move around without distortion on the sound. So hopefully this will help me on my videos and as well to make it more pleasant for you guys when watching my videos. Well, guys, just a couple minutes in to trying this microphone out. It's awesome. I'm really loving it right now. Guys, I had it lower here and see how the difference is from up to my neck, close to my neck here, versus right around my chest, and see if there's any difference in terms of the pickup there. But anyways, guys, I'm really enjoying this one. I'm sure I could see myself using this. I'm definitely going to see how it sounds like using it from the car, inside the car point of view, in car videos with the surrounding noises with being in the car type deal and see how that sounds like. So we'll give it a try and test it out. Hey guys, we're now in the car and testing out the in-car video and how well this microphone is. With all the surrounding noises inside the car, I just wanted to make sure that how well this camera or this microphone works in the process. So we'll see once we get the to the highway. We'll probably be able to get more road noises, be able to compare. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're in the highway now. Just to test again how well this microphone is with the high speed and being on the highway. So far, so good. So, anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. I think I'm gonna stick with this microphone. It will be a good addition to our channel here, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed this last episode of the year. And I'm so grateful for the past year and the past many years, that is, since we started this channel. I'm so thankful for all your support, for all your love, for all your comments, for all your suggestions um, throughout the years. And basically, from the bottom of my heart and this humble, small little channel that we have, I'm so thankful for all your support and love. And at the same time, I want to wish you guys a happy new year and a prosperous new year coming 2023. So, anyways, guys, as always, I'll end the season here. And hopefully, for the next year, you guys gonna continue on supporting me, getting all the subscription, the likes and comments, and supporting the channel overall. As always, peace out.